and welcome to Lexicon IHM. And today I'm going to show you an Easter special pie, that is Osterkuchen, which is a very popular preparation in Switzerland and Germany during Easter time. To make this Easter special pie, first step is to cook the rice with milk, and then you make the short crust pastry using butter, flour, sugar and egg yolk. After that, chill the pastry for about 15 minutes. Roll it and line a pie dish. Spread apricot jam in it and put it in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, you prepare the filling by creaming the butter and sugar. Then you add the egg yolks in it. After that, cream, ground almonds, cooked rice, and lastly, you take the egg whites and whip it till it becomes stiff. And then pour it in the pie dish. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. Once it is completely baked, remove it from the oven, allow it to cool and serve it.